Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Henry, and today we're going to be talking about something really tasty. It's the good old American style MRE. I used to say military ration either or, but meals ready to eat. I have done one of these before on the channel, so click right here-ish on that card, or the little white eye, to see the Canadian IMP. So the Canadian version of this, but it's made by mealkitsupply.com. So they are a Canadian company, however widely used throughout North America, so hence the English, French, and wonderful Spanish language on it. So today, yeah, we're just gonna go through one of these. Been going out, gonna go out camping soon. I mean, what other great meals you can bring on bush camping, you know? Going out there in the middle of nowhere, just bring one of these with you, you're good for a meal. So let's go through one of these together here and see what we are looking forward to in the field. Let's take a look. Alas, my iPad died, however, thank goodness for high-definition phones. Alright, so here we are, let's go through piece by piece. The good old MRE. Alright, so let's get it all out so we can see. So both sides you have kind of the recipe card. So we got black beans in a seasoned sauce. Sounds very yummy indeed. Awesome job. And on the other side, got another recipe card. We got Mariana sauce with meatballs, made with chicken and beef. Chicken and beef. TM. Okay, cool. So the first two things that you're going to see here are those two main course meals, and they're just in like your normal plastic baggies. Technically these rations come with like a little heater now, so like you add water and you can heat them with a chemical reaction. So you fill this little packet full of water, interacts, chemical reactions, this heats up, and then you can just kind of like wrap it around like this to heat up your meal. If you have a stove, you can just put this packet into boiling water for 10-15 minutes and cook it that way, so it's nice and warm. There you go. So what's this? This is the sauce and meatballs, as you can see here. So of course you would heat this up, cut it at the top, and of course enjoy your meatballs, especially if you're Swedish. Over here, same thing for the other part of the meal here, so we can look. So yeah, this is our black beans. So same treatment. Can use your little portable ration heater, or do what I always do and a lot of others do, is just put in boiling water for a few minutes, and there you go, you can warm it up. There you go, that's some calories for your camping or whatever you're doing. Alright, so next up is that we also have a beverage packet, also known as the Gatorade packet. So carbohydrate, electrolyte, beverage powder, fruit punch. Nice. So how these would work is that there's the powder on the bottom, you can kind of feel it. And what you would do is that you could take your canteen and water bottle, whatever else you have, you fill this packet up to the water line here, and you can see there's a Ziploc line here, so you cut it off, fill it full of your water from your canteen or water bottle up to here, close it, you roll it up, you shake it, and then you can drink it. There you go, you got your Gatorade to go. So that's always a nice little feature to have here. And of course you got your little napkin, your little serviettes, be civilized out in the wilderness. There you go. You also have that. Again, we have another fruit punch here, so we have another drink to go with your other meals. So if you wanted fruity beans, you can have that. Some fruity beans all the way. You also have your good old cracker here. These are usually dry. However, they do come with like a little, there it is, a little jam packet. So if it's a breakfast one, you can have your grape jelly with your dry cracker. And of course, same thing, if you want, you can warm these up in water or whatever too, but depending how you like your crackers in the morning or whatever. There you go. And of course, you got your little hot sauce here if you want to be a spicy meatball. We also have, oh, it's our dessert. Look at that. It's the vanilla pudding dessert powder. Huh. I've seen this one before. Contains milk, so I can't have this one, so I will definitely put this on eBay. Just kidding. But yeah, so they all come with like a little dessert, and this one has vanilla pudding dessert powder. So you put some guessing some water. Directions for use, yeah, put some water in there, stand for 30 minutes, and there you go. That's your dessert. And there you have it. That's typically what's in an MRE these days. It's pretty good. So got a couple of these for me and my friends. We're going out camping in the wilderness, so wish us luck. You will return in one piece, hopefully. But yeah, till then, have a great day, everyone, and as always, fly safe and happy landings.